On today's tip from Tammy, it's not about how many clothes you're buying, it's about how you're taking care of the clothes you already have. So today I want to talk about the lint roller. Not an exciting topic, but an important one, because when your clothes, the fibers break down and you get these little plouches, little pieces of lint, little balls of the fibers called pilling on your clothing, it looks like you kind of rolled out of bed wearing your clothes. So an easy way to spruce up your outfit is to just get out the lint roller. So the problem is this thing is really not sustainable. It's all plastic, and what happens is you peel off these layers and then you roll it on your garment. So here are some alternatives that are more sustainable. For more tips like this delivered to your inbox twice a month, just sign up at the link.